Hi, my name's Dana Nelson. I am a realtor in Kalispell, Montana. I got involved in 7K Metals and I am absolutely in love with the program. I see so many good things happening for people around me and my family. It's given me and my husband, we've wanted to collect silver and gold. We didn't have the opportunity to do it. We have since in the 9 weeks that 7K Metals has been going, I have earned $1,000 a week. I've shared it. I took it right to my hometown. I shared it with my loved ones and my friends and family. I researched it. I've taken it to my accountant. I literally believe in this program 100%. We've collected some silver, my husband and I've collected it for my kids. And it's not just regular silver. I think that's what I feel like it's such a special advantage. I brought one today, and it's a silver American Eagle. And I have gotten a few bullion coins in the past from pawn shops and stuff. I have one that's from Binion's from 1951. That's really special to me. But in reality, that just is a silver coin. This is a silver American Eagle. And to get it fresh from the mint, this comes from a mint in a little tube that says U.S. Mint on it. I got 20 of them. They're totally untouched from human hands. I got one for each of my kids. And just the opportunity to do that, I've taken half of my income, half of my check from 7K Metals that I've earned just by sharing this program with people and truly giving them an advantage. You know, our area is a depressed area. We can live anywhere we want in this country and make a decent income and collect silver and gold. We don't have the minimum orders. We do not have these strict qualifications. It is an amazing, outstanding opportunity. I totally encourage you to check out 7K Metals and jump on board because this is doing everybody a favor. You're doing your loved ones, your kids. My kids are collecting silver and gold now. My son, he is so excited about it. It is truly, when they get it, they get the piece. You know, you see people start, we never got to see it before. We never really got to feel it, touch it. And the experience and the values it's helping. You know, my kids, I have 2 of them that are involved in this, and the third one decided not to. But those 2 that are involved in it, you can just see them grow. I brought one of my friends' daughters has been hanging out with us, and you see little kids doing it. It is so exciting. And you see they are truly, genuinely excited, and they actually have the opportunity. As for the prices, I bought my roll of silver, and I bought a cement fresh, quality coin, and it was $400, $20 a coin to get this. And I don't know if I could even buy it at my local retailer store, but it's just truly exciting. And I absolutely love it. The values it's giving us to not only learn to save and give us the opportunity to have another venue of income and another venue to increase our financial portfolio that we were looking for. So I am a true believer of this program.
My name is Tony Hubbard, and I'm from Pearland, Texas, and I'm an entrepreneur, recently in the roofing business, and I've always been a fan of this industry, this professional network marketing. I've been in the industry now about 10 years, and I've made money. Oftentimes I made more mistakes than money, but I was introduced to this company several months ago by a good friend of mine, and I've always loved the industry for the sake, if it's done right, you can really impact a lot of lives. And I've always built my business based upon the philosophy of Mr. Zig Ziglar, who said you can have everything you want out of life when you simply help enough other people get out what they want out of life. And that's one of the things I've found here with 7K Metals. I've been a part of the company since its inception. I've been fortunate to earn a commission every single week. Part-time, was able to pay all the bills in the house. But more importantly, we've been able to build a group. Several individuals now are earning $1,000 a month or $1,000 on a weekly basis. And probably one of the most greatest success stories I'm proud of it. The youngest one of my friends is 82 years old. And he was able to make a couple $1,000s on a monthly basis. And he had never made that kind of money before. So I love being a part of this company because I believe it's a company that's designed for everyday people to really have success. And they've really created a win-win-win scenario. And here's what I mean by that. A lot of companies, there's a win-win-lose or win-lose-lose. Very seldom, rarely do you run across a company where everybody wins. And in 7K Metals, whether you're purchasing these assets, the gold and silver, on a monthly basis, or you're earning commission, at the end of the day, everybody wins. So I'm so excited. I'm proud to be a part of this company. I look forward to being able to impact thousands of lives for many years to come.
This is why you got to have this. I mean, can I say it more simply? This is why you got to have this. Because if you are counting on central bankers and governments to maintain the value of our currency when they've been robbing you since the day you were born, you better become your own central banker. You better make sure that you have this in place. And I don't care how much you have, you never have enough. You never have enough, because this is what's going to protect you from what they're going through in Zimbabwe, in Venezuela, in lots of other countries. Because you know who's responsible for all of that? For everything that the IMF issues, for everything that the Fed issues, for everything that the federal government issues? Taxpayers. Taxpayers are responsible. Everybody's going to pay for this. Everybody's going to pay for this. You want to pay a little less? Get real money that holds your purchasing power. And do it as quickly as you can. Do it while you still can.
If you're watching this video, chances are you're curious about gold and silver and have a few questions, like, why should I buy precious metals? What metals should I be buying? Who can I trust to buy them from? How do I know I'm getting a good deal? And how can I afford more? Well, you're not alone. Most people have these questions, and over the next few minutes, we'll give you an easy solution. Most people would say, I had a feeling it was important and a good idea to own precious metals, but really didn't understand why. So I didn't do anything. This lack of understanding has cost people a lot of money. And quite honestly, we don't want you to make the same mistake. We have watched far too many people struggle as the economy fluctuates, employment issues arise, or unexpected changes come up in life. Owning gold and silver can help shield you long-term against all these challenges. When we started 7K, it became a mission to help the average person get ahead by adding precious metals to their portfolio, no matter their knowledge or circumstances. We have already changed the precious metals industry by offering some of the best pricing without any minimums or maximums, period. We are now completely revolutionizing the industry and making it so anyone and everyone will be able to start buying precious metals. It doesn't matter if it's a significant amount or even just $1. The new technology provided by a partner company, Sound Money, will allow you to convert your cash to gold or silver instantly. There are no shipping wait times. There's no worry about where you're going to store it, and you'll sleep easy at night knowing that if you ever want us to send you the metal, it will be in the mail at the drop of a hat. Transferring cash, gold, or silver to other members is simple, and there's no spread costs. Let's say you wanted to send 1 ounce of silver to a friend. It's just like you would have taken it out of your safe at home and sent it to them in the mail, except it's instant, and you don't have to worry about postage, and it's much less expensive than shipping. Your friend will see the 1 ounce of silver reflected in their Sound Money wallet, and it all takes less than a minute. Being able to transfer metal instantly to someone else has never been done, and it's truly game-changing. So, you may be asking yourself, if they're willing to send me the metal from my Sound Money wallet silver account, does that mean they have it on hand somewhere? Yep. Every time you make a transfer from cash, gold, or silver in the Sound Money wallet, we carefully put that amount of gold or silver in a non-segregated Sound Money private vaulting space. When you request the metal be shipped to you, we simply take the metal you requested from the non-segregated vault space and send it to your front door. Between third-party auditing and Sound Money policy, we have to have an equal amount of physical silver or gold to meet the transaction rate in the Sound Money wallet. So, what about the security of the Sound Money private vault? Your metal will be sitting behind 4 layers of some of the most technologically advanced security possible. Now, one of the biggest questions we've found while helping people understand the real power of owning gold and silver is, what do I do if I need cash? The old way is that you would need to take it to a local dealer who would most likely give you several reasons why he can't give you what the metal is actually worth. Or you would need to contact an online buyer who typically has a $1,000 minimum. They would tell you a price over the phone only to be much lower after it finally arrives at their facility and they inspect it 4 to 6 weeks later. Not to mention the shipping that you paid. The traditional buyback program at 7K is much simpler and much more friendly than any other way. Now with the Sound Money Wallet, it is hands down the best way to convert your metals back to cash if you get in a pinch. With one of the best buyback prices in the industry, no gimmicks, no minimums, and nominal transaction fees, you can instantly convert your gold or silver back to cash. No headaches, no hassle, just easy. So, whether you're a savvy investor who knows the power of gold or silver and the advantages of a private vault, or you're trading your first dollar for gold or silver, Sound Money will make it convenient and easy. You can finally be confident that the control is back in your hands from start to finish.
Hey guys, this is Yuri Melendez. How are you, man? Listen, I want to give a testimony about the Sound Money Wallet. That has made my life so much simpler. This is the opportunity. This is the technology. No one has it. Only 7K members are allowed to use it. You have to be a member to use it. I call it the currency converter, where you can actually take your money from your account, bring it over to the Sound Money Wallet, then select if you want gold and silver with no minimums or maximums. Check this out, guys. Not only you can convert it, as gold and silver goes up, your money goes up. What are the banks paying you? 0.001%? And while gold and silver goes up, now this is like your own personal private savings account where you accumulate wealth. You can never go bankrupt having gold and silver.
Hello, my name is Emily and I live in Kauai. And I've been a member of 7K since November of 2020. One day somebody asked me a really simple question. Hey, do you know anybody that's interested in buying gold and silver? And I said, me. So I gave him my credit card and told him to sign me up. And I really wanted to stack assets for my daughter. I wanted to just buy gold and silver. I just never knew how. So when I started, I was not interested in the business, but I wanted to prepare for her future. I knew putting cash in the bank wasn't a good idea, but I loved that I could buy tangible assets that would grow over time. So what I saw was so powerful that I had to share. I wasn't expecting to get paid, but since I've started, I've gotten paid to save every single week. Recently, I was able to achieve the rank of gold, which allows you the income potential of earning up to about $7,000 per week. Someone invited you to take a look at this. I wouldn't wait. Get started today.
Hi, my name is Madiba Thompson. I've been in the network marketing space for over 15 years. Shakes, vitamins, travel, and those are products that expire, right? I've never in my life seen a vehicle where no one can lose. You think of one where no one can lose money. It's gold and silver. So listen, I highly recommend you get a membership, plug into the training. We've helped over 1,000 people on the team. We've got people that have never had success in this industry that are winning right now. And it is such a blessing. Creating generational wealth, leaving a legacy of family. What's better than that?